Welcome. In this video, I would be explaining some of the tools that can help your marketing grow with Google. Google has so many functions, so many applications, so many tools, but most people have not been able to optimize them or even use them to improve their sales and to run their marketing, to manage their marketing. So my name is Majid, and I welcome you all. If you are just coming onto this channel for the first time, kindly subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification. Okay, let's get started. Google is a very powerful tool, and most of the time when we say Google, most people just look at the search engine, which is google.com. Other tools within Google includes the email application, which you can see when you click on the Google applications, Google apps over here. So let me just click more from Google onto a new tab so that we can see lots of Google tools and applications that you can use for your business that can improve your services, your sales, and whatever. There are lots of products, there are lots of applications that you can actually make use of. Now, if you want to sell something and you really need to probably get data or promote your adverts on paid ads, on organic ads, if you really want to run ads on Google, then you'll be looking at one of the tools available in the marketing for business. You'll be looking at Google Ads. Okay, and of course you can also consider making use of Google My Business, which is a very powerful tool to show Google online whenever anybody types the name of your business. Your location and your details will be shown immediately. Like if you should type Palladium Innovations, okay, immediately you are going to see the location of Palladium Innovations and what have you. And this is actually referring to Majid Fetga. Okay, the website from Palladium Innovations will be up in a bit. So if you should click this now, this website is going to take you to majidfetga.com. Okay, and that is just the explanation is that you can set up your business on Google by just making use of Google My Business, and you verify. Then you can also use Google Merchant Center. There are tons of applications here that probably due to your location may not be enabled for you, but that being said, you can actually use a lot of applications to really see your business grow. One of it is Google Ads, which we are going to be looking at in this 2021. Okay, and any of the tools as far as Google is concerned, you don't need to create another account if you have a Google account. Any of the tools, all you need to do is just register your normal Google account, and probably you are accessing it through your laptop, which will have been preferred, or you are accessing your application, Google applications, via your mobile phones. You just need to use your normal application to log in and to sign up and to create any account you really want to. Like if I want to just log in into my Google Ads account, and I just need to just select one of the ad accounts, and this 2021 we'll be looking at Google Ads. As much as we have dealt with Facebook, I have lots of videos on Facebook on my YouTube channel, and I will still answer one or two questions as far as Facebook is concerned whenever the questions arise. And if you have any question on Facebook, you are free to really chat me up. My information is always in the description. I have lots of videos. There are free videos for you. There are guides that you can take, step-by-step guides. I recorded my screen and I just explained everything step by step. Okay, why 2021 and beyond, like I've said, we would be focusing on Google and Google efforts. Okay, that is what the next task will be. And there are a lot of tools that can help your business grow. You can promote your business online. You can actually do a lot with it. Now, one of the tools that you can also earn money, to promote, to market, is your Google Analytics. Okay, because this is important if you have a website. Okay, one of the first things you are going to do is to enable your website by optimizing, that is, indexing your website onto Google. That's the first thing you are going to do. I've done video on that. I will put the link in the description. Okay, the first thing is to index. Then you do that by coming onto your search console and you index your website with Google, and you also index your analytics with Google, so that you'll be able to see the results, the analysis of events as it unfolds on your website, probably on your landing page, or probably on your lead generation page, or on your product page. And there are lots of opportunities out there. Now, a brief of this is also AdMob, which is Android adverts for mobile users. So if you go onto Android applications, any of the Android applications that has been enabled, that has been optimized for Android AdMob placement, you will see banners and interstitial ads available within the Android application, and this is also a very good marketing tool. Okay, business messages is also one of the tools that so many people really do not know, and they've not been able to optimize for these. And of course, Google Assistant is always available within the use. Google domains, if you want to set up or register a domain with Google, then you can make use of Google domain. Google Meet is very, very important for video conferencing and what have you. Google Marketing Platform is also a much available tool that will enable your business to grow. And most of these tools, some of the tools are just available probably location. There may be location constraint that is not yet enabled for your location, or where, or as that may be. So one of the things you can really do if you come to Google Marketing Platform is to make use of your tools, your products that you have enabled, and you can connect those products onto your website, your product page, and you can integrate so many tools, and you'll be able to see your result at a glance. All these there are so many other tools available with Google that can help your business grow. So how do you get started? That is one of the questions that would come in place. Which one are you going to start with today? Okay, I am going to advise, that is my recommendation. Okay, the first one, if you have a website, spell website, then you want to do your SEO, which is search engine optimization. If you have your website, the first thing is to do your SEO, which means search engine optimization, and you'll be able to probably see your website at the top of Google search results. If anybody just search for, like if you search for software developing for instance, if I just want to search for software development companies in Lagos, for instance, and if you are going through this, you will see one of our companies available, which is on the search first page. On the first page, that is softamos.com. Okay, this is a software company that I work with, and we do a lot of solutions on web development, software development, mobile, and there are a lot of learning opportunities, especially when you are working on software development, or you are working on digital skills that you can work remotely with companies, and so many other tools available for you as it goes. So one of the things you should do is to index, you should optimize your website for the keyword that you are ranking. It's about software development, and you should optimize your website for that if you have a website. If you do not have a website, then one of the tools you want to focus on during this time may be okay, that your setup of Google My Business. Now, if you do this, you want to register your business location online. You want to build a business profile for your business online, so that people can still see your business, and they can still call for your business or your services just by clicking online, searching for you, and they'll be able to give you a call. If you click call now, you can actually speak with the owner of the business, and this is one of the important tools that your business can actually make use of. And one of it is also integrating your Google Ads, which we would be looking at in details in the coming video course. So if you have not subscribed to this channel, kindly do that and turn on the notification, as I upload videos explaining some of the tools that would help you improve your business results. Okay, and there are other tools available here. Okay, like currently during the time of lockdown, you really want to do meeting with somebody and the person is not within your physical location, you can actually make use of Google Meets, and this is a very powerful tool that will enable you to do video conference, video meet up, and you interact with your prospects or your clients, and you even sell. It's a very powerful one. It's a very powerful tool, and really love this. And there are other tools that can help your business grow. Okay, and I will be unfolding some of them as much as I can, and of course there are lots of resources available that you too can tap into in order to improve your business come 2021 and beyond. Okay, and if you have gotten some lessons in order to say, how do I start? The question is, how do you start? It's just to sign up for your Google account. It's just go to google.com and just sign up. And if you have a Google account, the next thing is just take a tool, one of the tools. Like if you have your website, you want to take your search engine optimization, and you just come to these Google apps, and you pick any of the tools, and you start setting up. And if you don't have a website and you want to make use of website, you can actually make use of Google Blogger. Blogger is also one of the tools or one of the websites available for you to create. You can create for free with Google. You just need to sign in and you start creating your blog content, and this is already optimized already because Google owns Blogger, so there is no need for saying optimization or anything like that. So you can start with this, enable or embed your mobile chat application. Like you can set up your website and enable or embed your WhatsApp contact on your blog post or your content, and your content goes viral. One of the things you really want to do during this time is to also understand the user intent. You need to understand what people are looking for online, especially during this time. Okay, and one of the tools you can use to do that under your website, or even if you want to start creating content trying to explain how the tools work, you want to make use of your Google Keyword Planner. Okay, so Google Keyword Planner is one of the tools within Google Ads that will be enabled for you. Once you have created a campaign, probably you've created any campaign, you just come to your tools. Okay, under planning, you see Keyword Planner under Google Ads. So you can click on Keyword Planners, and that would help you to get insights into what people are looking for on Google. And of course, before you can enable this, you have to run a campaign, and that is why it may not show at a moment. So having said all this, I'm going to take step-by-step tools, practical step-by-step tools. And if you have any of the tools that you really need now to know please put in the comments section so that I'll be able to know what you need now, and I'll be able to help you grow by just sharing the little knowledge that I have gotten from my Google Ads certification 2019. Okay, and I actually, when I did that 2019, I decided that let me focus on Facebook for 2020, especially during the lockdown, and there are lots of learning curves as far as Google is concerned. So any of the tools that you really want, then you can put in the comment section. And if you are new to this channel, kindly click on the subscribe button and enable the notification too. I really say thank you and all the best. Bye bye.